Hi, welcome to Kevin Commotion. I'm Kevin and this is Noah.
Hi friends, today we'll be making homemade ice cream.
This is a really fun activity you can do at home with just a few ingredients.
Be sure to ask a grown-up for help. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Half cup of milk, half cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of salt, a bag of ice, and that's all. You'll need an empty sandwich bag so you can pour all the stuff in.
We're going to add the milk first. Then the heavy cream. Then the sugar. And then the vanilla extract. When that's done, you're going to want to mix them up and get all the air out of the bag before you seal it.
Now we'll take our bag of mixed ingredients and put it inside the larger bag of ice. Then we'll take some ice and put it over the bag of mixed stuff. Then you're going to want to take your salt and then put it on top.
Then do the same thing with get the air out, seal the bag,
and shake it.
Now you're going to want to shake the bag for about 8 to 10 minutes to get it nice and cold. So now that we've been shaking this bag for this long, we're going to see how it turned out. So when you look at the bag, you'll notice that all the ice has pretty much melted all the way from the salt. So let's see how it turned out. Let's open the bag.
Looks pretty cool.
Oh, look at that.
That looks like ice cream.
It's nice and hard. Let's pour it into some bowls.
Now the ice cream's ready. You can add any toppings you want. I added sprinkles, cherries. Can I? It tastes really good. Let me go see. It tastes like chocolate juice. I like the cherries on it. So how do you like it?
Hey, are you eating my ice cream?
Wow, that was so good. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, goodbye now.